Hi, Scott Nido, founder of Fairway Exteriors. One of the questions we get about James Hardie Fiber Cement is, does it lower my home insurance? And I guess the answer is it depends. And so a lot of times it does. And so a lot of insurance companies give you a full brick discount because James Hardie's got a Class A fire rating. It's not combustible. It's warranty against hail damage. It's extremely durable. Not all insurance companies, but a lot of insurance companies will actually give you as a homeowner the discount. Now the discount might only be $100 a year. To me, it's more about the third-party endorsement. How often has insurance company called you and said, we'd like to give you money back? It just doesn't happen, right? They basically assess risk and they print money. They're kind of like casinos. No matter what, the house always wins. A lot of times it feels like they have insurance companies. And so Hardie's a fantastic investment for your home. It's a fantastic investment for you as a homeowner. And it's a fantastic investment for the insurance company. So most of them will give you a small discount. It just depends who your insurance is, but please make sure to ask.